Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how you can easily publish your idea or script on TradingView. So when you would come here on TradingView and you have like, let's say I'm Tesla, I'm going to have like indicator for like this, then I would have like volume, like whatever, and then I want to publish it. So I would go on the top right, publish, and then I have like publish idea, click on it. Before publishing your idea, I would like you to please read the following tips. Okay, continue publishing, and then you like this is idea for Tesla trading, and then you would have like analysis here. This is like, just do what you're being told here. Please provide a meaningful and detailed description of your analysis and prediction. Walk us through your thought process, put yourself in the reader's shoes, and see if you would understand the context based on what you wrote. Clearly stated profit targets and stop loss areas help clarify any trading ideas. And then you're like, on the right side, look at here, privacy settings, public or private. Type analysis or tutorial. Tutorial can be like, okay, what you can actually do in TradingView. And then you're gonna see the investment strategy here as a long, neutral, or short category. If it's going to be the trend analysis, harmonic patterns, chat patterns, technical indicators, wave analysis. Again, you choose which suits you the best. And tags like Tesla, etc. Right? And then on the bottom you see the link to related ideas. So you can also find the similar ideas and just post them here. So this is pretty much it, how we do it and how you can publish ideas on TradingView. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.